I've been arrested twice. I've been punched once by this big black guy.
Yeah, in a store, right? Like a Walmart or something.
Yeah, in a Walmart. It was the sneezing prank. Yeah, we did the sneezing.
Yeah.
And then he's like, I don't do that funny shit. And he just punched me in the face. And then he chased me out of the store, and he like stood in front of the automatic doors. Like, you know, Walmart, there's like an entrance and an exit.
Yeah.
And like I was trying to go out the exit, and like he's just boxing me in. And then he got on his phone and he pulled his phone out, and he's like, "You want to go viral?" Like, and he punched me again. He's like, "All right, we're going viral now," and shit. And he posted it on his Facebook.